In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable push notifications on Exness mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom right and tap on Profile, and then from here, you want to go to the top right where you can see the settings cogwheel and tap on that, and from here, as you can see under Security, it's going to say Security Type, and you want to tap on that, and from here, as you can see, it says Change, so just tap on Change, and here you can see it says Push Notifications. Now, to enable these, tap on Push Notifications, and then click on Next here, and then here we go. We can go ahead and tap on Turn on Push, and when this happens over here, basically you'll receive a code to your email which you have to confirm, and then whenever you do this, you can then continue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up my email over here really quickly so I can just show you how actually the full process works. There we go. Let me actually type this code in. Okay, so I can do this 55737. There we go, and that is going to basically verify, and there we go. As you can see, it says you switch to push, and then it says you can enjoy faster, secure confirmations without SMS codes. Well, welcome to a simple experience. You can just tap on got it, and you've done that successfully. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.